Hello guys, welcome back to another video, another day in Alberta, Canada. So the plan today is obviously, of course, we are heading out in the car. We are heading to, what's the town called again?
Grassy Lakes.
No,
well, that's the place.
The town. Canmore. We're heading to Canmore, and then there's a place nearby called Grassy Lakes, which you'd think it'd be very grassy there, but apparently it's named after a guy called something Grassy. So yeah, it's supposed to be a nice hike over there, so we're gonna try and find somewhere to park up and then of course see what it's all about. So I guess we'll see you when we're there. So I think this is it, down here. There was a sign that said to come down here anyway, but when you looked online, was it there was like a walk from here?
Yeah, so this was the trailhead. There, look, there's cars here, and there should be a sign telling you to go either way, and there's a difficult and an easy.
So we'll go the difficult.
No, that's closed.
Why is it closed?
It's closed because of ice. I looked on Google and someone was here yesterday.
Okay. Yeah, Grassy Lakes recreational area. What it's all about then. Okay, so we're on the trail now, and this is where the trail splits off. So you have the easy path to the right, and then to the left the more difficult path. As you can see, the trail is closed. This trail is closed due to dangerous ice flows. For your own safety, please use the road. Easy way. So I guess that's what we're doing. So where does this lead to then?
This is to Grassy Lakes.
Oh, so you can actually see a lake?
Yeah, it takes you to the lake.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
I think it's called Grassy Lakes. I know you mentioned about someone's name, but the water's supposed to be like emerald colour. Okay. So green, maybe that's why it's grassy.
I definitely should have bought some walking boots though. Trainers are not ideal for walking on snow and ice. We've made it. I guess this is it. Grassy Lake. It is pretty beautiful, to be honest. Worth the walk?
Yeah, the walk wasn't too bad though.
No.
You could definitely do with those, what are they called?
Spikes for your feet.
For your shoes.
Yeah.
Because it's very icy, but we're okay. You're in trainers, so.
Yeah. Yeah, so it probably took us about
half an hour.
Yeah, about 30 minutes just to walk up. It's a fairly easy, you know, there is some inclines and a couple of declines, but it makes it more difficult when it's icy and you haven't got the proper footwear on, which I don't. I just have trainers on, but yeah, it's definitely worth the walk.
I would love to just go in there.
Want to have a quick dip?
No, I feel red hot, so I feel like I could go in, but it's obviously freezing.
Yeah. So it turns out there is in fact another lake. I guess that's why it's called Grassy Lakes instead of Grassy Lake. Wow, this one looks very deep, doesn't it? Like you can see right the way through it, but that looks at least, I don't know, 20 foot deep or so. It's just so clean though, isn't it, the water? And here is the man responsible for these lakes, Lawrence Grassy, from 1890 to 1980. Master trail maker. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Okay, so I thought I'd just walk up this little hill here. I saw this huge pipe. I have no idea what it's for. I assume it takes water from the top of the mountain to the bottom. Don't know though, could be wrong. If you know, let me know. But yeah, this is it. Big pipe. Right, then we're going to start our descent back down now. We're back. Made it back to the car. Feel pretty tired now, to be honest. It only took us like 20 minutes to get down, something like that.
No, we started walking down at 8 minutes past. What's the time now?
It's 1:45 now. Was it like nearly 40 minutes? Didn't seem like 40 minutes.
No.
Okay, so yeah, decent walk down. Grassy Lake's done. I think we're going to probably go to Canmore now, have a look around the town, do some exploring, and then go home and make some nice dinner.
What we got for tea?
We're going to have some barbecued chicken and some barbecued ribs with some baked potatoes.
You're not doing mash?
No, baked potatoes and some seasoned vegetables.
Lovely.
Yeah, we're actually just turning this into a cooking channel. I'm no longer a car channel, it's solely just cooking and nature now. What do you guys feel about that? No, seriously though, if you are watching this video, or if you watch any of my other videos from Canada, what do you think about them, like on a personal level? Do you enjoy watching these kinds of videos? I'm guessing the majority of you will, you won't even click on this type of video, but there's a few people that I guess kind of wonder what I get up to, and I'm going to be completely honest, I don't really make these types of videos for anyone else. This is more for me. It's more for me to look back on, and if anyone else is interested in them, then so be it. But yeah, let me know. Let me know, do you enjoy these types of videos, these travel vlogs? Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, on to Canmore now.
Come on, stop being lazy. How are you?
Just shouting on. I'm tired.
Tired!
Yeah. No, because you woke me up this morning.
At 10 AM?
Yeah, this morning.
10 AM?
Yeah. I didn't go to sleep till about 11 last night. So we've arrived in Canmore. Now let's go take a look around. And we're back to the car. Okay then guys, so of course we are back home now and we're making dinner. So on the menu tonight we have some barbecue chicken legs, which I've made from scratch. Obviously I didn't make the chicken, but it's literally just salt, pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and then the barbecue marinades. That's all going to go in the oven. And we have some barbecue ribs already made up, ready to go in about halfway into the cooking of this. We have some green beans, and then we also have some corn, and then we have a couple of baked potatoes in the oven, sorry, in the microwave, but the chicken itself, that can go in the oven. We leave it for about 20 minutes or so, and then we can add the ribs. And dinner is served. Okay, so dinner had, and we're just going to head to the hot tub now. It's like a community hot tub, so obviously I'm not going to record them in there, but yeah, it's going to be very, very cold when we get outside. Obviously I'm not wearing the coat inside the hot tub either. It's very windy. Okay then guys, so as you can see, it's light out because it is in fact the next day now. So we went in the hot tub and was actually having a nice conversation with a lovely a Canadian couple. They actually live literally just out across the road, and I think they just come here just to use the hot tub, which is pretty funny. But yeah, we just kind of got carried away just talking to them, and then we came back, and I think we had a pretty early night. We just had some food and then went to bed. And yeah, of course I forgot to end the video off, so yeah, I'm going to end it here. If you have enjoyed this video today, please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!